Bravex propane torch today, and I'm really, really excited about lighting up the field, starting the fire easily, starting my barbecue. Oh, there's so many applications. Every man needs a flamethrower. I mean a propane torch. I'm going to take it outside, but before I do, I just wanted to kind of show you to whet your appetite. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. See, this is man love. This is just, look at this. This is sick right here. I'm absolutely digging this, man. You have your starter here. You have your flamethrower. Adjust the pressure. You hook this to your valve, man. Let her rip, tater chip. I mean, look at this. Look at that. You know you want one. You know you need one. Don't get permission from mama. Just order it. I mean, it's priced right. You know, I used to see these sometime back, and they were really, really expensive when this first came out. And now you can pick them up so cheaply. This brand right here, Bravex, they have really mastered the art. The grip is really solid. They have really good copper components going through here. I love this unit. I love the upgraded hose. I can't wait to go light it up out in the yard. And I'll show you what this bad boy can do. Hoopwall, old school style. By the way, they say read the directions before you go doing anything stupid. Smart advice. Got the flamethrower here. You're supposed to just barely turn on the gas till you can hear it. We want more. Guys, I give it 5 stars for being an alpha male tool. What a flamethrower. Bro, look, you can crank this knob up and send a flame out that far. It really is totally awesome. I must have singed something, man.